In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer crypto from Trust Wallet over to Coinbase. So here we are on Trust Wallet on the phone. I'm sure you're all familiar with that. What we actually need to decide here is what cryptocurrency we're actually sending. So you want to go ahead and go out of Trust Wallet and then open up Coinbase. And on Coinbase, once it loads, you'll be able to see all of the different assets that you can send to your Coinbase wallet. So if we go ahead and go to trade, you can see all of the different assets that you can hold in Coinbase. So for the video, I'm just going to show you how you can send Bitcoin, but you can do this for any other cryptocurrency that you can send from Trust Wallet. So to send Bitcoin, we first need to get our Bitcoin recipient address. To do that, click on Bitcoin, then go ahead and scroll down, and you should see your Bitcoin wallet. Go ahead and click on that, and it should then give you an option to find your wallet address. So if we go to the barcode icon in the top right hand corner, it will then show us our QR code for our wallet, and it will also give us our address here, which we can copy. So go ahead and copy your Bitcoin address. Now go back into Trust Wallet and go ahead and find Bitcoin. So here is Bitcoin in Trust Wallet. What we can do now, we can click on Bitcoin. We can then go to send, and we can then paste in that address. So we can hold down on the paste bar and click paste, or we can just click paste on Trust Wallet here. Now we can enter in the amount of Bitcoin we want to send. Once we're happy with the amount, we can click on send. It doesn't appear for me because I don't have any Bitcoin in my account. And you will then receive that Bitcoin into Coinbase. That's how you do it. Please do leave a like and make sure you subscribe if that did help you out.